In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and set up the Smartsheet app on your device. By the end, you'll have the app installed and be signed in, ready to start managing your work in one place. First, open your browser or your device's app store. On a phone or tablet, that's typically the App Store on iOS or Google Play on Android. On some devices, you might be using a web browser to find the official listing. Either way works as long as you're starting from a trusted source. Next, use the search bar and type Smartsheet. Take a moment to double check the spelling so you get the correct result. When the results load, look for the official Smartsheet app. It should clearly show the Smartsheet name and recognizable logo. Check that the developer is listed as Smartsheet Inc. and glance at the ratings and reviews to confirm you're selecting the legitimate app, not a third-party tool with a similar name. Once you've found the correct listing, select it and tap Download, Install, or Get, depending on your device. Your phone may ask you to confirm with your password, Face ID, or fingerprint. Approve that prompt and make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space so the download doesn't stall. Now, wait for the app to finish installing. You'll see a progress indicator on the screen. Try to keep the device awake and connected to Wi-Fi if possible, especially if your cellular data is limited. If the progress seems slow, that's usually just the store verifying and installing files. Give it a moment. When the installation completes, open the Smartsheet app. You can tap open directly from the store page or find the new Smartsheet icon on your home screen or app drawer. The first launch might take a few seconds as the app initializes, which is normal. Finally, log in with your Smartsheet account. On the sign-in screen, enter your work email and password associated with Smartsheet, or choose the single sign-on option your organization uses, such as signing in with Google, Microsoft, or your company's identity provider. If you're prompted for multi-factor authentication, complete that step to keep your account secure. For privacy, never share your login details, and make sure you're on a trusted network when signing in. After authentication, you'll land on the Smartsheet home area, where your recent sheets and workspaces appear. That's it. You searched for Smartsheet, chose the official app, installed it, opened it, and signed in. You're now ready to start collaborating, tracking tasks, and managing projects right from your device.